there is institutions of technology which we have involved to help us identify to the last therapy which will be administered to patients at our ward level. With me here is my deputy, Dr. Robert Monda, Senator Mumaima Onyonka, Kisii County, members of the County Assembly from 45 wards and the nominated ones. All honorable members are here. I know members of Parliament, some will be joining with us later. From here, then we move to where? We check what is in the cast. Or I flag them all. I check, flag. All right, let us see. I'm told sometimes the boxes are empty. Let us see if there is anything inside.
Identify one box. Identify one box.
One box. Atatoa yoyote ile. Yeye ndiye atatoa ile anataka.
Leo tutafanya different. We're starting to the main store. To the main store, we will verify each time every box that is sealed. And then we will go back to we will go back and then to the seal. Come on, you know. All of these. Now, oh.
Now it is indicated times of
or you will read as well as illiteracy. Right.
and you have not been seen.
Now today, what we are doing, that's why you're seeing these MCAs. These weeks of county is in this way. Bonchari. Members of the county assembly, honorable members, they are here. They will go with you. They will fail far, and they will seal them by the time they get in the ward. That's how we have changed. Because I'm told sometimes you pack some sweets in this box. And such as nearby. It's mixed up because even in Kiamukam. No, what will you do?
We use Arati. When you're
Order.
from here, you go to
Order.
we arrange in a way that we move from point A to point B. So we start from point A, we deliver point A, point B, point C, that way. So that we go round. Instead of going here and coming back.
No, I know where will take time. It's verifying. That's bit we want to do. Let us go to the main store. Any concern? Any concern?
If we would have been having somebody who can travel, verify it by the doctor and the appointed men, so that we go to get around, check there.
No, what we are doing, all these things will enter into a system, and that system is here at KTRH. Why we are doing this is because the past experience. Drugs are released, and then immediately they leave their place. Like if you go to Rio Tanch, you deliver right now, by 5, the drugs are not there.
task is see, verifying one facility. So maybe this gift take us even the whole day.
No. There is a way we are going to do it. Hapa ni kutoa kuverify. Niko na watu wengi. Hata mimi nitatoa koti, nitafanya hiyo kazi. Mimi kama gavana nitatoa koti, nitafanya hiyo kazi. Sio sawa? Yeah. See, then we plug them all. Yeah, we go. Wacha tuende. Where is the flag? Funga hiyo gari ya mbele, hiyo mlango tafadhali. Dawa is stop. Haya, naona Mheshimiwa Janda ameungana na pamoja na sisi. Kuna wabunge wengine watakuja pamoja na sisi. Let us meet at KTRH tafadhali saizi. We do the whole exercise. Na mkue tayari, kama huko hapo utakuwa tayari. Haya, naona Mheshimiwa Janda ameungana na pamoja na sisi. Kuna wabunge wengine watakuja pamoja na sisi. Let us meet at KTRH tafadhali saizi. We do the whole exercise. Na mkue tayari, kama huko hapo utakuwa tayari kushika box kuangalia, ndiposa kazi tuanze. Asanteni. Let us meet at the KTRH. Thank you. Haya, naona Mheshimiwa Janda ameungana na pamoja na sisi. Kuna wabunge wengine watakuja pamoja na sisi.
Niko site nguwa kana nesi ngaki. Give me the mic.
All right. Thank you. I was talking to the chief pharmacist here. Members of the Port Estate, the staff at KTRH, honorable members, MCAs who are with me here, honorable members of the National Assembly. That is the Senator is here, Mheshimiwa Chanda is here, I know others they are joining with us. The Speaker of the County Assembly, you are here, and my deputy. I'm informed the vehicles which have arrived here, they have not been received yet by the chief pharmacist, Mr. Kimtai, Dr. Kimtai. I was whispering to Dr. Kimtai, we want to do things differently. I know how you have been receiving this medicine, there's not been a follow-up, proper follow-up. What we are doing right now, there is the team of Huawei here. Huawei is the team here, and Technology Associates, that is the TA. Huawei team is here, and the TA who have developed a system to track that medicine when it's leaving here to the last person who will be administered. Even if it's a tablet, one tablet, we will definitely know who received in which clinic. Therefore, the business of either drugs living here in the middle of the road, they disappear to some chemist, it will become the story of the past. And Dr. Kimtai, you confirm with me, this story is a different story, my brother. We'll have to start a different chapter. And that's it. Therefore, today, we want to confirm to you, we are starting a new process. The drugs which remains here, they remain here, but also they will have a tracking system to the last patient that will receive the drug. For those ones which are going to level 4, level 3, level 2, all of them, they'll be in a system. I hope TA, technical associates, that is the story. That's what we are going to see. We have also decided it's good to notify the staffs around, the doctors around, the nurses, that we are going to install, all places will be manned technologically. This business of people walking out with linen, they go, they wash, they walk out with linen from the wards. The story of people, somebody in the pharmacy deciding that he can give one box to one patient and walk away with it. It has come to an end today. There is other things I don't want to reveal because that's for the system control, but for sure, they are offering it for free for 2 months to see how the system is going to work. We're going to man. We want KTRH to be on its own, as semi-autonomous, so that it can run procurement of medicine, pay doctors, instead of them threatening every time that they are going on strike. Doctors, you can be sure you're going to be paid on time, as long as also you promise that you're going to be at your place of work every time that you are required. Kwa hivyo kwa sasa nataka nishukuru daktari ameniambia, Dr. Kimtai ameniambia, we are checking in the store. Utaangalia, because already they have the medicine, therefore they are going to verify quickly. Waangalie nini niko. Then later on, every MCA, the 45 MCAs they are here, they will accompany the medicine to the facilities of their sub-county. MCAs will make sure either daily or after day, they have checked the records of the people who have been given medicine. Hivyo tu, kwa sababu sasa tumeamua kwamba tumekuwa waovu zote, wacha system imanage sisi. Kama itaenda mbaya, iende mbaya kwa Arati, iende mbaya kwa senator, kwa mjumbe, kwa MCA. Na sisi tunahitaji. Nasikia watu wakilia ni kwa sababu wamepoteza wapenzi wao. Na we cannot be part of the team ambao tunahakikisha kwamba watu wamekufa. Lazima tusaidie maisha ya watu. And that is it. Na tafadhali naomba kwamba sote, najua kwamba kumekuwa na laxity a bit, let us pull the socks. Kwa hivyo utakubali kwamba mtanikubalia bwana Kimtai, give us direction. Lakini kabla hiyo, Senator, kwa sababu nilikuita, unajua wewe ndio unakuja kuuliza mimi maswali Senate. Thank you. Karibu.
Thank you, Governor. Thank you, Deputy Governor, all the officers here, all the doctors, nurses, and the health professionals. Our job is very simple. Can we provide services to our people? We don't have any other issues. Governor is determined. He is ready to change our county to the next level. For the professionals who are here, please stay at work. We have discussed, Governor's guided that he will make sure that your salaries are going to be paid on time, your allowances will be sorted out. But please, also, all of you who are professionals, be in the facilities that you've been assigned so that our people can get the services. We are not asking for anything else. My job is oversighting. I'll be coming here on some nights. I'll be coming here with my team. We want to make sure that our county picks up and it does better than we've done before. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Senator DG. 1 minute. Before Senator Dr. Kimtai to lead us.
Just to repeat what the Governor said and the Senator, I want to also join them in saying our workers in the health facilities, not just KTRH, but every facility from this level to level 2, please give service to our people. And what is due to the patient, please do so. We have just talked to the Kenya Power and Lighting, Your Excellency. We are in agreement that our health facilities must get supply so that we do not endure the frequent blackouts, which is a challenge to the workers and to our patients. So please be at our stations and serve our people. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you. Given that Mheshimiwa Jana, you are the one who was arrived here. Kwa sababu iko kwa constituency yako.
Yes. Asante sana, Your Excellency, the Governor, Your Excellency, DG, Senator, and all the leaders who are here. On behalf of myself, my colleagues from all the constituencies, they are actually on their way. Some of them are left Nairobi very late. But Excellency, I want to confirm to you that we are moving the right direction. Mimi, Your Excellency, my house is just hapa chini. Nitakuwa nikitembea usiku na mimi nikiangalia the system ambaye hawa ungwana ambaye wanatuwekea. We fully support you and tuko nyuma yako. Asanteni sana. Lastly, Your Excellency, I know many nurses and doctors had come. Some of them sent me messages about the pay. Ninyi wenyewe mmesikia Governor akisema masuala ya pesa, usiwe na wasiwasi, all that will be taken care of. Asanteni sana.
Thank you. Just that you have said about the payment, I want to assure all employees of the county, all of you, you will be receiving your salaries by 5th of every month. Be it that the national government has not released money, or we will make, there is arrangement. And that's why I'm with my good friends, honorable members of the county assembly. They will pass as a resolution for us to get a facility from a bank to advance as with salaries at 10. But for now, I know July you were not paid, August, and I tell you were paid like 2 weeks ago. This week you will be paid for last month. Money is there. I only held it back because of around 13 people who are out of the country, who have been paid for 4 years without work. Some, for us to get a facility from a bank to advance as with salaries at 10. But for now, I know July you were not paid, August, and I tell you you were paid like 2 weeks ago. This week you will be paid for last month. Money is there. I only held it back because of around 13 people who are out of the country,
who have been paid for 4 years without work. One of the guys you see who abuses me most in the social media is in Canada. He has never worked, but he has been receiving salary. Therefore, these are the kind of the people, they are bloggers, international bloggers, but they don't work, their business is blogging, and they are paid. We're going to stop that madness. Please, for the dancers, please, we will actualize your training. And I want to request you, yes, there has been no schedules of business. We will draw. I had in the morning with the board of KTRH, and these all of them, they're learned individuals. Yes, they're here. Chairman and his team, and you will allow us to say we will see some changes, major changes in the hospital, especially this one, and level 4, for us to give service. You remember, Dr. Ntomo, you remember you may not know, but Nyonka said, Simba makes it, there is drugs. Drugs have come. Dr. Ntomo, Dr. Ndai, make sure drugs, they are not stolen, please, from our facilities. If they are stolen, park, and we'll make sure we have put these TVs here so that you don't get any job anywhere else. It will be public. Tunakuwa line hapa. Nakwambia mtu ukichukua wewe kama ni Homa Bay ama kwingine, jua huyu ndio mtu alikosea Kisii. We must have a point of return, and it's now. No angel will fix our systems. Lazima tuhakikishe kwamba tunatengeneza county. Otherwise, Dr. Kimtai, unajua ile vita tumekuwa na wewe wiki mzima. Ulikuwa unataka hii dawa iende straight to sub-county. Nikakwambia lazima nione. Leo lazima nione every drug. Ndiposa ikifika, nijue ni nani amekula hiyo dawa huko chini. Kama yeye sio mgonjwa, kwa nini akule dawa? Kwa hivyo, Daktari, you guide us how we are going to move around. Yes, Bwana Chris, what did you want to ask?
No, we were just requesting if we can. So let's just forget this. We just requesting if we can just arrange our camera properly so that we have a structured interview and we can do this.
Najua uko kwa siku nzuri sasa. Hiyo ni sawa. Wacha Dr. Kimtai. Do you want Kimtai also to be, because it's going to give a direction?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, good job. Good job. Right? Daktari, utaendelea ndipo maswali yako.
Thank you, Excellency, and all protocol of staff. Good afternoon.
Just before you proceed, tafadhali mjue kwamba Ebola imefika na inasikia iko hapa Kakamega, Busia pande hiyo. Kwa hivyo you don't know who has come from other side. Weka mask yako na wacha kusalimiana kwa mkono. Daktari amekufa kule Uganda. Daktari amekufa kwa sababu ya Ebola. It's a serious. Na nyinyi watu wa county naona mpewe mask. Mask iko, hii ni hospitali, lazima mpewe mask. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Excellency. Today is a special day for us for this financial year. We are going to receive commodities worth 7 million. We had done an order for 7 million, but due to the shortfalls in KEMSA, we are only able to get to 7 million worth of commodities. So last week we received for the sub-county hospitals, the 22 facilities, which we manage to keep the Doctors Plaza, where we will start from there to verify. Yesterday we were privileged to have the team from Technology Associate, which we are now going to use that tool to monitor and track our commodities to the end level facility. We are privileged to be taken through the system. So today we are actually going to confirm the quantities as per the delivery notes before we load to the system. Once we load to the system, we will actually push through the system to the sub-county, and the sub-county management team will be able to look at what they are going to receive and also verify, then send to the last end facility, where now the patient will be able to receive the commodities and that data will be captured. The issue here, we need to enhance the accountability of our commodities. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kimtai. Chris, what did you want to ask? Now this is a structured discussion you want to have with us.
Yeah, basically just want basically I want a breakdown of what has been brought today, the consignment basically, and then how important will be the system of distribution of drugs to the countries. So
Allow me to ask Dr. Kimtai. He's an expert to know what has come in. That's what I want to go and verify. He has just indicated that there is, we ordered for 47 million. We have already sent it for 27 million. Even this 27 million, we want to confirm if indeed it's 27, not 17. You know, that's why I'm also always doubtful.
Thank you, Excellency. I think what we are going to receive is actually essential medicine for all the facilities. These include drugs like paracetamol, amoxicillin, metronidazole, and also in that we also need to have lab components. So we have the lab reagents, lab slides. Also we have the non-pharmaceuticals. The issues of gloves, syringes are all here. So we are going to verify the delivery note. As you can see, I have the number of delivery notes. So this is what we intend to verify what actually came from CAMSA, and then we load the system.
Before I give it to Senator, he has said clearly that it is the pharmaceutical and pharmaceutical and what? And the lab. Last week, I stopped payment of 29 million because I was not very sure if those things were delivered. And indeed, from the auditor, the internal auditor has confirmed out of 29 million is only 17 to be paid. It's something that we must tame, and exactly that's why I decided to have this exercise. Therefore, as we're doing it, and I'm happy the technology associates, they will help us to sort out this mess. We're going to put around CCTV, which are intelligent CCTVs, which can identify people, even when they are in their own vehicles, when they are carrying drugs from here. And it's some. But they are around. Huawei, they are around. They are going to do that. That's a bit of what we're going to do. We're going to do these ones to the sub-count level, to the ward level. Yes.
Thank you. I think what Governor is saying, I wanted to just add a little bit onto what he has said. Actually, this system was there 10 years ago. For those who have worked longer than that period, the system was set up and then it was deliberately destroyed so that you don't keep the record. What the governor is trying to do and what we have asked him to do, and he has agreed, is to set up an ICT system where when medicines come, they are barcoded. You take the records of the medicines which have come, where they are going, and when the patient comes and is treated and the doctor prescribes the medicine the patient is supposed to get at the county headquarters here, the doctor in charge, the pharmacist in charge should be able to know